everybody, welcome back to my channel, y'all. In today's video I'm showing you guys my fresh face, beat face, like winter makeup, low-key my like all around the year makeup. This is like my favorite makeup look to wear because it just makes my face snap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. So right now I'm about to clip my hair back because we don't need this in the way. Want to know how I got this hair? Should be the last video that I posted, but I'm gonna leave it in the description below so you guys can like check out how I got this hair. But I have my little makeup bag, so cute, pink, my favorite color. Here's my moisturizer, the Lubriderm fragrance free one. I love this stuff. I always put that on before I go in with my primer. So I like to use this e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. Also, I feel like this makeup is gonna come out so bomb today because I literally just shaved my face. Also, y'all, I'm gonna take my piercings out because I hate when I get makeup on them. Like, I hate when I do that. That the primer is done, make sure I put that like everywhere, all over my face and stuff. Mainly like in this area right here because that's usually where I get like creases and stuff. So I mix 3 foundations. Y'all probably gonna look at me like, girl, 3 foundations? Yes. I still have not found like one foundation that is like my exact color. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I just have not. So I always like mix. So I like to go in with Maybelline Fit Me 360 Mocha, L'Oreal True Match in an 8 Cappuccino. I also use this Maybelline Dream Urban Cover foundation, and the color is Cafe 348 Cafe. So I'm gonna mix those 3 together. Now that we look like this, we're gonna put some concealer, e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and what color is this? Deep Cinnamon. It looks like this, and I go ham with this, so. Hey Siri, next song. This Black Radiance pressed powder in ebony, and I'm gonna contour. My favorite part, which is blush. I love this blush. This is Maybelline Fit Me blush in, what color is this? Berry. It's in berry. Pencil. This one is by Wet n Wild. I use this like all the time for like everything. And ooh.